Hello there, my friend. Let me ask you something. How would you feel if I told you that, after 65, there are bills you've been paying that you might not have to pay anymore? Not because of a loophole, not because of luck, but because the law and life finally decided to give you a little breathing room. Yes, you heard that right. After 65, there are 7 types of bills you may not be responsible for anymore, and most seniors never find out about them. That ends today. I'm going to walk you through these 7, step by step, clearly and confidently, so you know where you stand, what's possible, and how to claim the relief you deserve. Because after decades of hard work, raising families, and paying every kind of bill under the sun, it's time some of those bills stop following you. Let's begin. At this stage of life, peace of mind isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Health costs, prescriptions, doctor visits, they're part of daily life now. So when we can cut other expenses, it matters. Every dollar saved helps you stay comfortable, secure, and less stressed. That's what this conversation is all about, keeping more of your money in your hands. Let's start with one of the biggest bills, property tax. Many seniors don't realize this. Once you reach 65, your property tax bill can be reduced, frozen, or sometimes even waived, depending on where you live. Most counties have what's called a senior tax exemption, or homestead freeze. Here's what that means. Your property value for tax purposes is locked at a certain rate, or your total taxes are reduced based on your income. You just have to apply through your local assessor's office. I remember a senior whose name is Martha from Georgia. She filed one simple form when she turned 67. The following year, her property taxes dropped by nearly 40%. She called me crying, happy tears, and said, "I didn't know this existed." So please check your local rules. That's bill number 1 you may no longer have to carry. Now let's talk about your income. Most seniors don't know this, but in many states, once you're over 65, you don't have to pay state tax on your Social Security benefits. That's right. More than half the states in America don't tax Social Security at all, and some that do offer age or income exemptions that remove it entirely. So you may be paying a tax that no longer applies to you. It's worth a phone call or a quick check on your state's tax website. That's bill number 2. You may not owe anymore. Now let's talk about Medicare, the one we all depend on. Some people get hit with late enrollment penalties for Medicare Part B or Part D. But what many seniors don't know is, those penalties aren't always final. If you had coverage through your spouse's employer, or if you missed enrollment because of a genuine misunderstanding or delay, you can appeal. Medicare calls it equitable relief, and in some cases those penalty charges can be removed completely. So before you accept that penalty as permanent, ask. You might not be responsible for it at all. Let's talk about long-term care insurance. Many of us bought it years ago, thinking it would protect our families, and it still can. But over time, companies started raising premiums sky high. Here's what many don't know. Some states limit or ban repeated premium increases for seniors once they hit a certain age. That means if you're 65 or older, your provider might be restricted from raising your premium again. It depends on your state's rules and your specific policy. So before you pay that higher premium, ask if it's even allowed. That's bill number 4 you might not owe as much of anymore. Next, let's talk about your utilities. Electricity, water, gas, the basics of daily life. Many utility companies quietly offer senior discounts or fee waivers, but you have to ask. Some programs remove late fees, lower deposits, or cap energy costs during certain months for customers 65 and older. If you've been a loyal customer for years, don't hesitate to call and ask, "Do you offer a senior rate?" You've earned it, and you might be pleasantly surprised. Dear seniors, do you still drive? Let's talk about your vehicle fees. In several states, seniors get discounted or waived registration fees or vehicle property taxes. It's as simple as showing proof of age at the DMV. In some places, they even renew your registration for multiple years at once to save you time and money. That's bill number 6 that can disappear once you reach senior status. And finally, those sneaky communication bills. Phone, internet, cable, the charges never stop. But did you know there's a federal Lifeline program that offers discounted service for qualifying seniors? Some providers also have their own senior discounts that remove unnecessary line fees and maintenance charges. So if your monthly bill looks a bit too high, pick up the phone and ask. That's bill number 7. You might not be responsible for paying in full anymore. Here's the truth. Nobody's going to come knocking on your door to tell you you're eligible for relief. These programs exist quietly, and they wait for you to claim them. So today, make a decision. Go through this list of 7 bills. Ask the right questions. Make one phone call a day if you have to. Because every time you remove a bill that no longer belongs to you, you're reclaiming your peace of mind. You've earned that right. Now it's time to use it. Let's review quickly. Property tax reductions or freezes. No state tax on Social Security in most states. Medicare penalty waivers. Limits on long-term care premium hikes. Utility company senior discounts. Vehicle registration or property tax reductions. Senior discounts on phone, internet and cable. That's 7 opportunities to keep more of your money where it belongs, with you. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 bills surprised you the most? Was there one you didn't know you could avoid paying after 65? Share your answer down below in the comments. Your story might help another senior, just like you. And if you want to learn how to apply for these programs step by step, I've attached the full video that goes deeper into each one. Take a few minutes and watch it through. It could save you hundreds, maybe thousands, every year. If this video gave you something valuable, please click like so other seniors can find it too. And don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of wise, empowered seniors learning how to live better, not just longer. Until next time, my friend, may your health stay steady, your bills stay light, and your heart stay peaceful. You've earned this chapter. You deserve every bit of comfort and calm it brings.